We have worked thousands of hours to give our customers the very best. We just received some great feedback from a customer and we wanted to share it with the world. And it's no surprise that we love hearing from our happy and satisfied customers, and this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior customer service. This is one of our favorite reviews as well. Very inspiring. We want to earn your business the best way we know how, by providing you with the best customer service possible. Come and see what we can do for you today. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.